Hi, this is Sriram.
Welcome to the Sriram Tech Publishing channel.
Today, I am going to show you how to format a paperback book using an existing InDesign template. I have already flowed the text into a new InDesign file, and now I am opening the existing InDesign template file. Copy the text from the untitled InDesign file into the existing template file. I am copying the book title and replacing the existing one, as well as copying the subtitle and pasting it here. Then, adjust the font size to 12 and change the font to Roboto Condensed Light. Copy and paste the author name, and increase the space before the subtitle. Remove the existing copyright information and leave only the copyright year with a new author name. Remove the existing table of contents. Select all the new content, copy it, and replace the old content. Apply the chapter title style to the introduction. Apply the text style to the body text, and apply the text first style to the first para. Edit the text first style by right-clicking the style name, going to Basic Character Formats, and changing the font family to EB Garamond, then click OK. Remove unwanted tabs and paragraph symbols. Edit the text style to add a first line indent. Set the first line indent to 18 and the space before to 6 points, then click OK. Apply the text style. Link the text frame to the next page. Remove the existing text, create a new text frame, and link it. Apply the chapter title 1 style to August 20th, and the chapter title style to the text below. Edit the chapter title style, go to hyphenation, and turn it off to avoid hyphenation in chapter titles. Then edit the chapter title style again and set the space after to 30 points. Apply the text style to the first paragraph.
Relink and place text frames en all page.
Go to Master Page A and remove the running head, as it is not needed for this book. Then return to the pages and apply the chapter title and paragraph styles as done in the earlier chapter. I've shared a wide range of book formatting and InDesign tips on this channel to help you create professional print-ready layouts. If you're new here, consider subscribing to stay updated with practical tutorials and publishing insights. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more InDesign videos. Thanks for watching.